So today we're going to talk about how Austin Hardware approaches all sorts of parts, even the simplest of parts, with value in mind. What we're going to talk about today, spring latch, looks like a very simple part, but the improvements we've been able to make are vastly superior to what was available prior.
Thanks, Tom. Here's what manufacturers were using before. It's a pretty simple spring latch with a couple upgrades, including an aluminum base and stainless steel pin. Customers approached us to supply it. We didn't just knock it off, we dug in.
How so?
By asking simple questions. What do you like about the latch? What don't you like? What would you make different?
Okay, so you covered the basics. Seems pretty basic, what we do every day.
That's right, it's what we do, but they don't. Instead of just sending it to China to save a nickel, we redesigned it with some significant upgrades. We started by raising the catch tab in the base and extending the holdback pin, allowing it to engage either direction. Then we found on the original design that the cap would pop off of the grab arm, and in wet conditions, your fingers would slip when pulling the handle. To solve this, we changed the grab area from an L to a J and dipped the entire handle. You'll also notice there's less tension on our stainless spring, making it easier to function.
It's a lot of upgrades for a basic spring latch.
And it continues to evolve. Here's another version where a customer needed the pin to engage a 1/4 inch higher. They're welding an aluminum plate from behind to accomplish this, and were telling us about the tedious labor involved. So what we did was we raised the height of the base and dipped the handle a different color, so during install they could clearly identify one from the other.
Okay, so with some volume, sounds like anything's possible. Just think about what we could do on larger projects. Please hop on to austinhardware.com to find out more.
Thank you.